Alright, here we are with this Sandmaster10 of mine. I've been restoring it and I'm pretty well finished with it. She's all ready to go. I just wanted to show you the last few pieces of the puzzle before I show you the thing running. I guess I'll show you this first off. I got the body here. Not too much of anything special. To be honest, this is the first time that I never painted an RC body, so I didn't do anything too crazy. A little bit of a, orange, a little fade into the black there, and same thing on the wing. So nothing too crazy, but there's the body for it. It's all painted up. And as far as the radio equipment that I put in this thing, what I did is I went with the Kyosho Synchro 2.4 gigahertz frequency hopping remote. It's a pretty nice remote, and I'll tell you what I did with this. I went with a Kyosho just because it's a Kyosho, and I got a great deal on this. What I did is I went on eBay, and a lot of guys buy these. They got like a Kyosho Inferno that comes with this. A lot of guys do it with their Traxxas cars, but they buy these cars, and they bring them home, and first thing they do is tear the radio equipment out and throw their nice Spectrum or whatever in there. So I got on eBay and I found this for 50 bucks. I got this and a 4-channel receiver for it, right there. The only thing I'm really still waiting on is a rechargeable battery pack for this car. I'm running the 4AA block in there, and I don't like that. I'm waiting for my rechargeable battery pack for this. But I'm going to put this all together. We're going to fire it up, and I'll show you this thing running. Literally, this is going to be the first time that this thing runs via radio control in probably somewhere around the realm of 15 to 17 years. So let me get it set up, and we'll show you what it can do. Well, there it is, running good and strong after 15 years or so. I'm still going to run it some more and play with the tuning, and I'll probably be able to get a little more speed, a little more power out of it, but I think it runs pretty good for the first time in all these years. But there it is, that's my Sandmaster10 restoration, all complete, all put together, looking good, running good, and I'm excited. I got my toy back, it's been so long, but there it is, all done. Thanks for watching.